students, in the previous video we have learned what is speed and how do we express speed. We learned that speed can be expressed in kilometer per hour or kilometer per minute or let's say meter per second or meter per minute, alright, like that. Alright. Now today we're going to learn the various types of speeds, right? So let us assume that there is a car and it is traveling, and the first hour suppose it went 30 km and the second hour also it traveled 30 km and the third hour also it traveled 30 km, right? And next let us take another car, let's say car B, and suppose this one has covered in the first kilometer, the start of the journey, right, very fresh. So let's say it is traveling 80 km, right? And then the second hour he is little bit tired, the driver, so it is covered 40 km, right? And the third hour then he realized, okay, I'm going too slow, then he increased the speed and let's say it went 100 km, like that. Can happen, right? So now these are two situations is before you. In the first case, in every hour, first hour, second hour, third hour, the distance covered is always fixed, that is 30, 30, 30, same, right? Here it is changing, 80, 40, 100. So in this kind of situations where you have a same distance covered in same time, this is called uniform speed. Uniform means space, same, right? And this will be called variable speed. Variable means changing. So it is changing, right? 80, 40, 100, right? Think about it. If you are allowed to drive, can you follow the first one? Can you go exactly 30 in the first hour and exactly 30 in the second hour? No, right? So practically in real life what happens is that people always travel in this way, variable speeds. Alright. This is uniform speed is a theoretical concept. This is very, very difficult to achieve in real life. Alright. There's one more term that you need to learn, and that is the concept of average speed. So the concept of average speed. So let's say an example. Suppose a person is traveling, let's take a car, will be better. So a car is traveling, suppose 30 km in the first hour, and then another 20 in the second hour, and suppose another 40 in the third hour. So how will I find my average speed? So to calculate the average speed, all you have to do is to calculate the total distance the car has traveled and then divide it by the total time that the car has taken. So what is my total distance? 30 plus 20 plus 40, and what is my total time? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Right? Don't get confused. I am writing 2 and 3 over here to indicate second hour. Time is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour only, right? So this will be now 30 plus 20, 50, 90. So 90 by 3, and so my average speed is 30 kilometer per hour. This kilometer is the distance and this hour is the time. Alright, this is how we are going to calculate average speed. So in this video we have learned what is uniform speed, what is variable speed, and how to calculate average speed. In the next video we are going to learn how to convert the units of speed from one form to